Hello guys, in this video we're going to look at the top 5 welding machines in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description box below. Let's get started at top 5. HITBOX M200 Welder. The HITBOX M200 Welder is a versatile 3-in-1 machine offering MIG, lift TIG, and MMA welding options, making it ideal for a range of welding applications. It operates as a semi-automatic welding machine with both 110V and 220V compatibility, providing flexibility for various environments. With its inverter technology, the M200 delivers efficient performance, reducing energy consumption while maintaining high-quality welds. One of its standout features is the option for gas and non-gas MIG welding, allowing users to switch based on project requirements. The machine is equipped with a 1 kg welding wire capacity, ensuring longer welding sessions without frequent reloads. The easy-to-use digital display and intuitive controls make adjusting settings simple, even for beginners. Additionally, its compact, lightweight design enhances portability, making it a great option for both home DIY enthusiasts and professional welders. Whether working on light fabrication or heavy-duty repairs, the HITBOX M200 delivers reliable, strong welds with ease. Top 4. Hzxvogen 5-in-1 Plasma Cutter Welder Machine. The Hzxvogen 5-in-1 Plasma Cutter Welder Machine is an incredibly versatile tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. With its 5-in-1 functionality, it supports MIG, TIG, MMA, plasma cutting, and gas/non-gas welding, making it perfect for a wide range of applications. This all-in-one machine operates on 220V and features a digital screen for precise control and easy adjustments, ensuring optimal performance for various materials like steel, aluminum, and iron. One of the standout features is its plasma cutting capability, which allows for clean and smooth cuts on metals. The MMA and lift TIG modes offer flexibility in different welding techniques, while the gas/non-gas MIG option provides versatility depending on the project requirements. Additionally, the compact design and compatibility with 1/5 kg wire make it portable and easy to use, whether in the workshop or on-site. This multifunctional welder is perfect for achieving professional-grade results. Top 3. ARCCAPTAIN 160 Amp ARC Welder. The ARCCAPTAIN 160 Amp ARC Welder is designed for both beginners and experienced welders, offering exceptional versatility and performance. This dual-voltage machine operates on both 110V and 220V power sources, ensuring compatibility for various welding tasks. With advanced IGBT technology, it delivers a stable arc and reliable performance, making it perfect for both MMA, stick, and lift TIG welding. This portable welder is lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for home DIY projects or on-site jobs. The synergic control feature simplifies the welding process by automatically adjusting the parameters based on the selected electrode size and material type, allowing for seamless operation. The machine also includes safety features such as overheat protection and a built-in cooling fan to enhance durability and longevity. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, metal fabrication, or art projects, the ARCCAPTAIN 160 Amp ARC Welder provides the power and precision you need for successful welding. Top 2. ARCCAPTAIN 6-in-1 Welding Machine. The ARCCAPTAIN 6-in-1 welding machine is a versatile powerhouse designed for both beginners and experienced welders. Its Synergy digital control feature allows for seamless operation across multiple welding processes, including flux core MIG, gas MIG, MMA, lift TIG, spool gun, and spot welding. This adaptability makes it ideal for a wide range of applications, from home DIY projects to professional use. With a compact and portable design, this machine is easy to transport and set up wherever needed. The intuitive interface and adjustable settings ensure precise control over welding parameters, enhancing weld quality and reducing the risk of errors. Additionally, the machine is equipped with safety features such as overload protection and a built-in cooling system to prevent overheating, ensuring safe and reliable operation. The ARCCAPTAIN 6-in-1 welding machine is the perfect solution for those seeking efficiency, versatility, and performance in a single unit, making it an essential tool for any welding enthusiast. Top 1. Bestarc MIG 145 Gas MIG Welder. The Bestarc MIG 145 Gas MIG Welder is designed for both beginners and experienced welders, delivering high-performance welding capabilities in a compact unit. With a maximum output of 145 amps, this welder is perfect for various welding applications, including mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum. One of its standout features is the synergic control system, which automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed for optimal performance based on material thickness. This ensures clean, smooth welds with minimal spatter. The lightweight and portable design, combined with a robust aluminum housing, makes it easy to transport to job sites or projects around the home. Additionally, the welder is equipped with a digital display for easy monitoring of settings and performance, enhancing user experience. Safety is prioritized with built-in thermal overload protection, ensuring the machine operates reliably without overheating. With the Bestarc MIG 145, you can achieve professional quality results with ease. Thanks for checking out our picks for the top 5 massage chairs of 2025. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews. Have a favorite massage chair? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next video.